Uh, this is my code to build a histogram using the given numbers, using a given set of numbers. So the first thing I did was put the numbers in an array, but instead of putting the whole 50 numbers in, I instead put the highest count for each of the numbers. Like for 1 I put 7, for 2 I put 1, and for 3 I put 3, and for 4 I put 4, etc, etc. So the next thing I did was to find the biggest number that I can put on the y-axis, which is 8, which is the highest number for 6 and 8. And this is the code right here. Using the for loop, I was able to find the highest peak, the highest point in which the graph is going to be. Then the next thing I did was to make the graph look vertical, because if you normally, the histogram that comes out from a C program is usually horizontal. So for that, I used a for loop from 0 all the way to the highest count, which is 8. And then the first part of the for loop is for the numbers going down. The second part of the for loop is for what will print out if for printf, in which there's an open space. If the number does not exist in the count, it produces an empty space. If the number does not exist in the exists in the count, it produces a hashtag. I tried to produce the bar by using the ASCII code, but for Mac it's really difficult to do, and it doesn't show me the same results. It just shows me slashes on top. I just decided to go with hashtag instead. So the next thing I did was print the numbers on the x-axis, that's the numbers below, from 1 to 10. As you can see, I used the for loop from I equals to 1 until it reaches 10 in increasing increments. And I also did the slashes on top of it, like from 1 to 10, print out the slashes 10 times. And also did the numbers from 1 to 10 and print out the numbers, like the percentile, 3D, I, and the next line. I'm about to show you the results of my code.